Hello, my name is Alan Todd and I am a forest artist. My background is painting and I've studied law. As a painter, I've decided to plant a forest, recreate a wide landscape for the next generation of painters to come. A forest is an entity, a live body, with a lot of species collaborating with each other. I'm looking for the meanings and for aesthetics about those collaborations. Here in Cultivamos Cultura, I'm trying to develop the concept of forest art from the macro to the micro perspective. From a macro perspective, I developed the concept of fertility island in the region. The proposition is to stimulate the landowners of the region to take care of a little forest in their land and to recognize this little forest as a work of art. When I come from macro to micro, I will observe the relationship between species regarding the mushrooms in the soil, regarding the insects, regarding the chlorophyll behavior in micro landscape. As a forest artist, I see myself as a total artist. It's an everyday job to represent the plant intelligence, to represent the forest. That is why I've created also the Forest Embassy. By representing the Forest Embassy, by trying to find a political speech for the intelligence of plants, I also will go to develop relationship with shamanism and with indigenous behaviors. For indigenous culture, we are all guardians of the forest and we all have an active duty to protect it. I see the Garden of Cultivamos Cultura as a lab where I can experiment new forms of aesthetic for compost. This is how I'm trying to find a relationship with biology and aesthetic. If my soil needs some branches to develop mushrooms, if my soil needs some leaves or some wild herbs, how can I integrate them in an aesthetical aspect? And how I can show to the audience the importance of them. As a forest artist, maybe I will never see my work done because I'll probably be dead when the forest will be grown up. And somehow I want to see the artist in a different way. The artist is not only someone that is talking about the past and referencing about the art of the past. Is someone that is also referencing to the art of the future, where people would consider a gardener as an artist, where people would consider planting a forest as an act of art, as painting or as sculpting. I don't think it makes sense to give more value to a painting from Leonardo da Vinci than of a forest from the Quaternary era. As a forest artist, I'm trying to prospect the future and to create a new culture where the humanity is looking at nature as an essential component of its patrimony.